everyone, welcome to Dedonkitchen. Today guys, Dedon will be making Easter bun, all wheat Easter bun. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, hi, if you are new here, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, like the video, and to all my YouTubers, supporters, subscribers, followers, a big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. Let's get started. 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon browning, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon almond flavor, 1 cup of red label wine, 1 cup of almond milk, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon mixed spice, 3 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoon papaya jam, half cup mixed fruit, 2 cup dark sugar, 1 cup raisin soak in water, 3 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup red cherries, 8 green cherries, half teaspoon grated nutmeg. Of course you need your bun pan for baking. In a bowl, I will be combining all the wet ingredients. You just want to leave back a little of the jam. Just gonna put the mixed fruit in it. We're gonna add the egg in, and what the jam do, it add flavor. I want to add the sugar in, because you add to have that sugar mixed out. Add the almond in. I want to add the salt in for flavor. So we're sieving all our dry ingredient now in a bowl. And I'm going to grate the nutmeg to add to it. If you have the nutmeg that is already grated, just use half teaspoon. I'm just going to leave back a little of my flour to roll the raisin in. It's always good when you're baking to sieve, so air can pass through what you're doing and it makes it very light. I just want to roll my raisin in some of the flour that I have left back. This way, when you do this, all the raisin will not sink to the bottom. You will have some floating all over in your whole wheat Easter bun. You just coat it just like this with some of the whole wheat flour. Get some more on it. For the cherries, I'm gonna cut. You know, you're baking your Easter bun, guys. You want to see fruits. Yeah, we like to see a lot of fruit in our Easter bun. You just don't want to buy a Easter bun and see it dry just with raisin. No, no, no. You know, time gone by in Jamaica, you know, Easter bun. You see, like Easter Monday or Good Friday, we just eat Easter bun. Nobody cook. just eat Easter bun and cheese, or Easter bun and fried fish, like the sprat. So I'm doing this with some of the cherries, and I'm going to coat it too in some flour. And of course you want to see fruit in your bun. So guys, for this Easter, don't buy any Easter bun, just make some bun. If you go on Dedonkitchen Easter bun, you see I have stout bun and I have spice Easter bun. So in the meantime you're doing all of this, you just want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So we're leaving back this just for now. So this, I'm just gonna coat it with some of the whole wheat flour. And let us grate the nutmeg. You need half a teaspoon. And you pour the nutmeg in on the flour. And you want to mix it up. And now you're just going to make a center. And we're going to come in with the mixer, the wet ingredient. And we're going to mix it up. The raisin. And our cherries that is coated in the flour. We're just going to mix this. And you want to mix it until all the flour, you don't want to be seeing any loose flour in your bun. So ensure you mix it. So looking at our whole wheat bun, guys, it looks like it's ready to heat and it don't bake yet. So if you want it a little darker, you can always add some more brown into it. But this is the shade that I want it to be. And this is the consistency that you want your bun to be having. You see how it's falling? It's not runny and it's not too thick. This is how you want it to be looking. And you can see all the raisin, all our mixed fruit is standing in it, standing out. You see that? All those lumps is a raisin, our cherries, they're all standing out in it. So they're not sinking at the bottom, they're all over. So you want to grease your bun tin. I'm just spraying some non-stick spray in it. And this pan is already a non-stick pan. But for extra portion, I just use the spray in it. So beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, give a thumbs up, and share this video with your friend, and hit that notification bell so when Dedon is doing a video, you will be the very first one to know. Now we're gonna pour the mixture in the baking tin. And remember, I told you this is the texture you want it to have, right? So we're gonna put it in the baking tin. So remember, this Easter, we're making our own Easter bun. Bun is so expensive. In Jamaica, one bun, I'm telling you, it's for $1,000. $1,200 goes up. Yeah, a nice bun. You got to go deep in your pocket. So why buy when you can make your own? It's far cheaper, and you can get more bun with that 1,000 Jamaican dollar. And this is a healthy version of Easter bun, called what? It's the whole wheat flour, whole wheat Easter bun. And if you are lactose to milk, you can always use almond milk. And if you don't use alcohol, you can always cut the alcohol. You don't have to use the wine. You can just milk to bake your bun with. Yeah, you see our bowl, nothing left over. So our mixture was just the right amount for the baking pan. And now guys, we're just gonna tap on the bun to release any air bubbles. We're tapping on the bun to release any air bubbles. So this is why we left back the green cherries and some of the red ones and some of the raisin. So you're just gonna decorate the top. And look at our bun, guys. Now we're gonna pop this bad girl in the oven. It's not no bad boy today, it's bad girl. All wheat Easter bun. So with your oven set to 350 degrees, it's gonna take 1 hour to 1.5 hours to bake, or until you insert a toothpick and it come out dry. So look at this, guys. Our Easter all wheat spice bun is now ready for eating. So after it finished bake, you just have to let it stand and cool. And when it cool, you know, it come together. So now we're gonna make the glaze. You can just add a little water, just like 2 tablespoons of water on the stove, and then you put like a tablespoon of sugar in it and just mix it, let it boil, come a thick syrup, and then you just put it on top of it. But I'm not doing that. Oh, I'm doing my glaze with my papaya jam. I make this jam couple months now, guys, papaya jam, and it's still standing out. So I'm just using a little tip of the papaya jam. See, it's soft and everything. And you can check it out, papaya jam, Dedonkitchen. And I'm using a little of the cherry juice. So if you're wondering where to get the green cherries, I got it in the supermarket. But it's not every supermarket sell it. So I'm just putting a little of the syrup from it. I poured too much. And they're just gonna mix this. Okay, this is the consistency that you need to have with your glaze. So the bun take 1 hour and 10 minutes. So before you put your glaze on, we'll be moving it from the baking tin. Remember, it already cool. Wow, look at that. And our pan is clean. So this is the bottom of the bun, and you're just gonna flip it back over. And now we're gonna add the glaze to it. So when you buy a bun, you see it's so shiny on the top. And so shiny is because of the glaze that they put on it. You see that red look we're getting? Yeah, so beautiful people, now we're gonna cut on a slice of our Easter bun so you can see how the inside is looking. Who wanna taste with me? Easter bun is in here. So here is my sharp knife. Look Look at this, guys. And I want to cut a next slice. This is how you want your Easter bun. You see, look, the fruit is all over in it. Cherries, raisin. You just don't want your Easter bun when you cut it dry, no fruit. Yeah, this is how we want our Easter bun to be looking. So this is the inside of our Easter bun, guys. And you know what? You want to have your Easter bun with a piece of cheese. Normally we have this with the tasty cheese, but I don't have any now. So you just put a piece of the cheese in your bun, or on top of the bun, just like this. And you want to put a next slice on top. So thank you, beautiful people, for watching our video today. All wheat Easter spice bun done by Dedonkitchen. So give it a try. I love you, beautiful people, and please remember, when you leave a comment, to put the thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. Peace and love, and see you all on the next one.